So this is Mario.
No, you got to start it again. We missed it the first time. The 3, 2, 1 didn't get recorded. Should we start over?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
3, 2, 1, let it rip! This is from Mario Galaxy 2. And this is something, but it looks a little bit crazy. But it doesn't have any dirt, so you have to put more dirt.
Aha.
And
What is it? What is it?
and it's a worm. A city, and only 1 or 2 or 3 worms could go there, or 4 or 100 worms, or lots of worms could go there, or they could live over here, in this room, or 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 there, or there, or there. And this is the lunch place where they have lunch. And this is where they fall down. And then they go there, and then they go inside, and go in, and then they go up, and then go inside, and then go down, and then fall down, and dig out. And then that's it.
Cool.
Cool.
Anything to add, James?
We're gonna make something, and it's a little bit dirty, so putting a little bit, so.
Okay, thanks, Alex.
So I made it dirty. Bye.
Bye.